Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Yeah, on this video we're going to be discussing about how to make money on Fiverr as Instagram manager. Probably you might have a great idea on how to manage Instagram account. Either a business page or a personal page. There are tons of business that are highly looking for someone who help them to manage their Instagram account in order to increase their engagement, followers, and increase their sales at the end of the month. So I'm gonna be showing you people on Fiverr who are already offering this service and getting a lot of sales. So let's jump right to my PC screen and see some sellers that are already on this niche. So this is Fiverr page. Let's search for Instagram So on this page we already have 3,355 gigs available with these particular keywords. There are some other keywords like Instagram marketing, Instagram growth, Instagram promotion, social media manager, Instagram post, Instagram management, Facebook manager. So with all this page, there are other gigs as well. Let's check on Instagram marketing so that you understand what I'm talking about. So on this page, notice we have 3,355 gigs on the page. So on this page we have 2,925 gigs on this page. But let's make use of this page first. So this seller said, I will be your Facebook, Instagram manager, and content creator. So this one said, I will be your Instagram, Facebook, and Instagram social media manager. We're just looking for Instagram manager alone without Facebook. Okay, second is I will do your Instagram management for 30 days. Okay. Second is okay. She already has 10 reviews and no any others in give. Okay, you see 10 posts, 10 days management. See, okay. Engaging post, hashtag and caption. Probably you are professional in writing as well, so this will be very helpful. As this niche is what you just jump into as long as you have the idea already. You know how to manage Instagram account, how to post, how to design a post as well. So this niche is very high in demand as well. Sellers, the sellers. This is package. Basic package is $19. The standard is $155 and the premium package is $195 with 2 others to keep. So let's check on another one. Like that, I will manage and promote your Instagram account. So seller, she's charging $55 for music. For the standard 30 days, standard for 21 days, and basic for 14 days. Let's check on these seller reviews to see. see what the buyer are talking about our service. Okay, this one said expected much more for the price. Thank you. I see a big change in the account. Great experience with tourists. Awesome to work with and went above and beyond the service provider. What I just see here is just that you need to know what you're doing. You need to be professional in what you're doing. That's what I see here. So let's check on the second keyword that I check, which is Instagram marketing. So let's check on this. I'll do Instagram marketing for organic growth and engagement. Oh, this rise out 14 orders in queue. And 443 rating already. So this is basic package for this management. This management. The goal is just to increase the target audience and engagement for 7 days. Let's check Instagram marketing or promotion to grow super fast. Wow, 64 orders in queue. Basic pack is $90 for 15 days. 20 days. This is amazing. If you know your way out regarding this service, definitely there is a lot to earn in this niche. As long as you know how to create the content, how to design a post, and you know the updates on Instagram algorithm, because that's what really matters most. If you receive an order and there is no increment on the buyer's Instagram account, so definitely you won't get a rating or review, as you said, and with that, such a buyer will not come to your page again. So you need to learn and or get a course regarding the Instagram marketing, probably on Udemy, to master everything that you need to know before you get started. I believe this video will help you out. So please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video.